The average US smartphone replacement cycle is 2 to 3 years, so if you don't trade in or sell your old phone after upgrades, you likely have some unused phones laying around waiting to be repurposed. Or maybe you like collecting phones. In this video, I will show you a file viewer program I made to turn multiple devices into a single display. The viewer works like any other file viewer, but using all the screens you supply it. The program can display images, videos, and PDFs of your choice. Displaying PDFs is its most practical use and the main reason for creating this program, as it allows you to read something on a bigger screen without carrying around a full screen. The program works as a web app, so any system with Python 3 can run the web server, and any device with a standard web browser client can connect to it. By default, new devices are appended to the end of the display. By using the web server controller, you can arrange the phones to display a grid, and even mix the orientations to display something like this. You may notice the videos playing on each device aren't perfectly in sync. So for better syncing, the devices must be the same model and running the same web browser and version. Here is the GitHub project where you can download and run the program. The app needs Python 3 to run the server, and you can follow the instructions in the README file for what else to install and other steps. I will show you how to run the server on Android, but running the server on the desktop will have similar steps. First, install and open Termux, the terminal emulator which lets you install other software on it. After you open Termux, install Python 3 and either download the zip from the web or install Git and clone the repository. Then go into the folder that was made and run the command to install the libraries, which is found in the README file. Lastly, run the command in the README to run the web server. Now that the server is running, open a web browser and connect to the server with its IP address and port. HTTP is fine in home networks, and HTTPS with authentication takes more steps, but is safer in public networks. Just like any other file viewer, you can drag the displayed file around, turn and choose the page for PDFs, and play, pause, and skip for videos. The video controls auto-hide, so move the mouse pointer to the top, or for touchscreens, tap the top right corner. To show the full screen toggle, change the window size or the phone's orientation, and it will stay there for 5 seconds. The controller is where you can drag the screens around to make a grid, or other layouts that aren't in a single line. It also has the option for the viewer behavior, what file to view, a button to bring the file in view back to the origin, and a place to set your username and password.